everybody, welcome back to the show. We are with our friends from Wichita Homeworks, Nate. Nate, I hope you had a Merry Christmas.
I did. Sure did. Got everything I wanted.
Oh, good. Well, we're out here in Rose Hill and helping other people's dreams kind of come true. Tell us about what you're doing to this backyard. It looks amazing.
Yeah, so we got quite a bit going on behind us. We're adding on to a living space. We're going to add a sunroom, and then also we're going to continue that roof across a covered deck area as well. So, and then we're going to tie back into some of this decking that was already here before. So. Started brand new from a new foundation from the ground up. You can see we're right in the middle of the framing stage. Yeah. So trying to get that dried in and making sure it's weather tight before we go on with the interior stuff. So.
Wow. Okay, so you're doing exterior and interior at this home all at the same time?
So we always like to try and get it to a stage where they call it dried in. So that's all of your windows are in, all of the house wrap is on, and the roof is on. So that prevents any water or moisture, anything like that. It also allows us to get temperature control of the space first. So.
And what's great about this is probably something that's going to be utilized a lot through the summer, but they're going to have that done now.
Definitely. So in Kansas, obviously we know it goes from one extreme to another, and so to have a space that's temperature controlled but that has a lot of window area, so a lot of natural sunlight, as well as going out onto the covered deck, allows them to use it year round.
Yeah, and you have quite a bit of people here on your crew getting this done as quickly as possible. What's the timeline on something like this?
Something like this, with the foundation work that we're doing, framing, and then all of the interior finish work, we'll be here for probably 3 to 5 months before it's all completely finished. But yeah, our goal is to get it done as soon as possible.
Yeah, definitely. And I'm sure it's all weather dependent, but can you or will you continue to do outdoor projects throughout the winter?
Yes, it just depends on what it is. So painting is pretty much the only thing that we have to be careful of weather and temperatures, moisture, that sort of thing. Everything else from, siding replacements, deck builds, obviously framing, that sort of thing. For the most part, we can continue through, throughout those winter months. We have to be a little careful replacing doors and windows because if it's super cold, obviously we don't want to freeze someone inside. So
yeah, I think it's kind of the perfect time for people to get started thinking, what do I want my next summer to look like?
Yeah, the nice temperatures are coming real fast for us, and so yeah, if you want to be kind of towards the beginning of that spring summer time period, now's the time to start planning.
Well, how can people find more information about you, Nate?
They can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com or give us a call at 316-303-4485.
All right, sounds good. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.
Yep, you as well.
All right, well, everyone, Good Day Kansas coming up next.